Friends, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen channel. Today I am showing how to make basmati rice for chicken biryani. Okay, I am using here Kohinoor basmati rice. It is very nice, super rice. I am preparing for 2.5 glass. 1, 2, 2.5 glass rice. For 1 glass of water only you have to use. Wash basmati rice. 2.5 glass I took. For 1 glass of rice, use 1 glass of water. 1, 2.5, 2, 1:1 ratio. Why? Because you are cooking in a cooker, no? That's oil. For 1 glass, 1 spoon. 2 spoons. 2.5 spoon. For rice, add these garam masala, all biryani masalas. Add 1 chilli also. 1 chilli. Mix well. After 10 minutes you cook this basmati rice. You can use for this rice for any veg biryani, chicken biryani, any rice, any pullav. Put and whistle. After 10 minutes, medium flame, 2 whistles. See, after 2 whistles, my basmati rice cooked very nicely. See, evenly cooked without any hard work. See, my rice is very nice, basmati. You can use this rice for any veg biryani, chicken biryani, any. No need to cook separately. For 1 glass of water, 1 glass of rice. 1:1 ratio should use. Please subscribe and share.